The purpose of this video is to show you the functioning of Smart COVID OPD. At first, the servant will come to the OPD and sanitize his hands with the automated sanitizer. Then he will go and open the doctor's cabin. Here he will first switch on the lights, switch on the exhaust fan of the patient's cubicle. He will switch on AC and adjust its temperature. Then I will switch on the mic and check the mic system. Now I will collect all the no-touch technique devices and keep it in the patient's cubicle. The devices used for this no-touch technique are pulse oximeter. This one is infrared thermometer, and this is wireless digital stethoscope. As and when required, you can charge the wireless stethoscope with this USB. For connecting this wireless stethoscope with mobile, you have to download an app called iUshare, and you have to connect it like all Bluetooth devices. After connecting, you can listen to the oscillatory sounds via your own headphones. Now the doctor will come to the OPD. The door will be closed to ensure isolation. And we'll check the mic system. And we'll press the button to sanitize the patient's cubicle, like this. The OPD paper will be handed over by the servant, and the doctor can ring the bell to call the patient. Now the patient will enter into the patient's cubicle, and here we will show the interaction between the doctor and the patient in this OPD setup.
आपको सुनाई दे रहा है? आपका नाम क्या है?
विनय।
आप सुन पा रहे हैं ना मुझे अच्छे से?
हाँ।
आपके वहाँ तरफ जो येलो कलर का वो पड़ा है ना, पहला वाला, हाँ उसको उठाइए, ऐसे उंगली में डालिए और मुझे दिखाइए। रख दीजिए, हाँ। अभी सुनो, उसके बाजू में जो सफेद वाला पड़ा है उसको उठाइए, हाँ उसको अपने सर पे यहाँ पे ऐसे रखना है, नहीं उल्टा, और हाँ वो जो बटन है वहाँ पे उसको दबाना है, बस उसको अभी वापस बटन पे दबा के वहाँ पे रख दो। अभी विनय उसके बाजू में जो रखा है तो उठाइए, हाँ और अपने छाती पे रखिए। अभी इस साइड रखिए, सांस लीजिए जोर से, वहाँ पे नीचे रखिए, ठीक, उसको रख दीजिए वहाँ पे। We can use the suspended green gloves for examination or taking the throat swab. चलो विनय अभी आप जा सकते हैं।
The cubicle will be sanitized each time, with the automated sanitizer so that the cubicle and the no touch technique devices will be sanitized each time.